Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Fit on this device. So in my case, the Google Fit is activated, and just to turn off this feature, we should slide with our two fingers at the same time to the center, or just hold for a while our home screen with the finger or with the Samsung pen, and then just swipe your home screen to the right side, and you'll see here the Google Discover switcher. As can you see, it's turned on. And just to turn off the Google Fit, click here once on the switcher, and now as can you see, when I swipe with my finger to the right side, I just can't open the Google Fit feature anymore. And if you want to just go back here to the Google Discover, click here again on this switcher, and as you can see, we just can simply swipe the our home screen, we can turn on and open the Google Fit. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just first hold for a while or slide with your two fingers here and click to the settings icon, and just here you'll see the add media page to home screen. Click here, or just from this screen click once on the switcher to turn off the Google Discover, and then if you want to just turn it on again, click here on the switcher, or just here you can also switch the Google Discover to the Samsung Fit if you want, and by this way you can also manage the Google Fit settings. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.